Today we're featuring a 2015 Kia Forte LX. It's got 74,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. It's silver in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the turn signals in the mirrors. Right, driver's side looks really good. Thumbs there. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks like it's in really good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power locks, power windows. It does have black cloth interior. Driver's seat's in good shape. Just a small little cigarette burn right there. It does have the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat's in good shape. Has a small little stain on the seat right here. Okay, it is an automatic. It does have your power outlet, auxiliary, and USB port there. Climate control center here. Got your AM/FM CD player display right here. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and it has your active eco button. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it does have 74,918 miles on it. Go ahead and show you your display screens over here, AM/FM CD player. Right, air conditioner's been running out for a few minutes, everything blowing nice and cold there, no problems. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat and your trunk space. Back seat cloth's in pretty good shape. Another little cigarette burn there, little small one there. I'll pull down the center console. It's got your cup holders. All right. It's a little bit of staining right here. Another little couple cigarette burns right there in the seat. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here is in good shape. I can't kind of stand to the side so you can see the depth. A good bit of storage room back there. Let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 15-inch steel wheels, plastic hubcaps, brand new set of tires on it. All right, just to recap, it's a 2015 Kia Forte LX, 74,000 miles on it. It is a Carfax one owner. Okay, it has a couple of cigarette burns on the interior. The exterior of the vehicle is in really good shape. Okay, but it's going to be priced accordingly. It'll be fairly priced. They got it as $9,800 right now. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.